Good morning, everybody. Jameson, Athens Ford. Hope you're having a great week. We are doing a quick walk around this morning on a 2014 Dodge Challenger RT. It's got the Hemi, of course. So it's part of my pre-owned inventory. Wanted you guys to check it out. It is still available. So if you're interested in it or know somebody that may be sure to reach out to me. I'll put my contact information at the end. So we'll go ahead and get it started here. So again, 2014 Dodge Challenger RT does have the Hemi, black exterior, 20-inch wheels, leather interior. It's going to be a 6-speed manual, cold air intake. It's got the shaker package on it as well. So again, this one 2014 model, it just crossed 49,000 miles, just up under 50,000 miles. Going to be priced to sell in the low 20s. I believe I have it right around 23.3 right now. Date today is April 12th, Thursday. Backup sensors, and again, manual shift, dual exhaust, has a great sound to it. Excellent condition. There's a shifter there. Leather seats, they are heated up front as well. Has a aftermarket Viper alarm system on it, and the seats are embroidered and say shaker as well. There's the mileage for you, 49,556. So again, if you or someone that you know may be interested in this vehicle, be sure to reach out to me, Jameson at Athens Ford. Email is going to be the best way, jjohnson@athensford.com. And I look forward to working with you soon. This vehicle does come with any remainder of the factory warranty as well, plus our exclusive lifetime warranty on the powertrain. So if you need more information on that, be sure to ask me. Again, 2014 Dodge Challenger RT, Jameson at Athens Ford. Thank you for watching. Look forward to working with you soon.